Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now in this video, if you wish to know on how to delete Instagram permanently, then this video tutorial is perfect for you. This is quick and easy, so let's get started. So the very first thing that we have to do is to open our Instagram application. And then in here, you'll be directed to the home feed. So now I'm not going to use this account, but I'm just going to use another account rather to be deleted. So let me just go on and open that account. So now let's just go on to our profile picture here in the lower right corner and just go directly to these three lines over here. So after that, we can just go on and click Accounts Center. So after that, you just have to go to Personal Details and go for Account Ownership and Control. After that, we have these two options, deactivation or deletion, and let's just choose this. So if ever you have a multiple account, then please choose one as to what account you wanted to deactivate or delete. So since I'm going to delete it, then it's going to be permanent. If I'm going to deactivate only, then it's going to be temporary until I wanted to reactivate it again. So since I'm going to delete this, then let's go. Click this delete account. So in here, you can choose one as to why you wanted to delete your Instagram account. So let me just choose one. And continue. Let's just continue. So before you're going to delete, Instagram will give you this notification that you can download your information, transfer a copy of your information, or to keep your Instagram account, you can just deactivate instead. But since we wanted to delete, then let's just continue. So after that, in this part, they're going to ask you for your password so that we will be able to confirm. Let me try this. Or let me just enter my password. Okay, so I already entered my password and now they're going to ask of confirmation of permanent account deletion. So you just have to read that. So in May 26, a month from now, you won't be visible in Instagram, meaning it will be permanently deleted. So you still have 30 days to still decide after deleting your account if you wanted to reactivate your account. So you'll be able to reactivate it through Account Center, or you can just log in to your Instagram account. So that's it. That's just how easy it is to delete an account, and you're good to go. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content, and please hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, please take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.